quite a rich history and background, long practice and so on. What is your financial net worth?
The gross is about 392 or thereabout, 392 million shillings.
Mm-hmm. And what are your current and anticipated sources of income?
Maybe I could say the net. The net is 218 million shillings. The others are debt, yes. My net worth is 218 million. And this is a value of properties between myself and my husband. Some of them.
Those are family assets?
Those, they are family assets.
Mm-hmm. What are your current and anticipated sources of income?
Until September, I have earned a salary from Parliament, and I have been in and off practicing a bit very, very low, low key, because, of course, as a member of Parliament, you have very little time in your hands. I get about an allowance, fuel allowance of about 100,000 from my farm, and I also, from these properties, some of them are in my name, I get about 500,000 shillings a month. At the moment, they do not have tenants since COVID, and therefore I have no income coming from that end. I'm relying on the little 100,000 and my salary from MP, of course. Yes.
Great. Now I will open up to the members.